Today we talk about how to optimize for core web vitals in WordPress. First off, how to even check what your core web vitals scores are. So, of course, the best way to do it is to go to Google's own PageSpeed Insights. So, all you do is just, input your URL and Google is gonna tell you all about your page. So let me do just that. Let's see where we stand. Let's analyze and let's give it a minute. And we are done. So as you can see, the performance result is 82 out of 100. So not quite terrible, but also not very good. Okay, so that's the baseline. So what we can do with it now? So of course we like simple solutions, right? So what I want to show you is just how you can use a simple single plugin to improve hugely on those results. So the plugin I'm going to use is our own. It's called Super Page Cache. It's a simple plugin. You can either grab it from here or from the official .org repo. Just install it, activate it like any other plugin. I'm gonna do that just now. So activate Super Page Cache, and once you do, you're gonna get redirected to the Super Page Cache dashboard. So what to do in here? First, let's go into settings. Let's make sure that we have page cache enabled. So let's switch that to yes. Apart from that, all the other default settings on this page are okay. So let's leave them be. Next one, let's go into files, and in here, let's make sure that we enable optimized Google fonts and also Google fonts stored locally. That's gonna help a lot. Next, let's move into media. Let's enable lazy loading. So lazy loading is a very helpful mechanism that's gonna display the images on your page only when they are actually needed, when the user is ready to see them. At this stage, we can basically click update settings, which is gonna enable the caching mechanism that we've just set here, and it's gonna already create a great baseline for our website. So let's come back to the dashboard. Let's preload the cache. Let's redo the test. Let's analyze. And okay, we are back. And as you can see, we are nearly perfect when it comes to performance. So the performance score is 99 out of 100, and there's big improvement when it comes to first contentful paint and largest contentful paint. They are both in the green, which is great. Yeah, so all we did is that we just enabled Super Page Cache and basically just ticked a couple of boxes to enable the default functionality of this plugin.